locally based airlines reported third quarter earnings this morning. Southwest reporting a profit.
And American Airlines reporting losses, but both doing better than expected by analysts. Fox 4's Alex Boyer joining us live to explain the earnings reports. Alex.
Hey guys, and both North Texas-based carriers are really trying to appease their customers while keeping their shareholders happy. But Southwest Airlines and American Airlines are also individually experiencing their own set of unique challenges, which is making that path more difficult. Despite the turmoil over its leadership and direction, Southwest Airlines reported a profit of $67 million over the last 3 months. That's better than expected, but down from $193 million in the same quarter a year ago, with higher costs for labor and other expenses. The Dallas-based carrier hopes to increase revenue by converting nearly 1/3 of its seats to premium with extra legroom and by assigning seats.
We are planning to retrofit 50 to 100 aircraft per month, completing the work late next year.
Just after announcing earnings, the airline said it also reached a deal with an activist investor, Elliott Group, that called for changes in leadership at Southwest Airlines. Board Executive Chairman Gary Kelly will accelerate his retirement, stepping down next Friday, November 1st, instead of waiting until next year. 6 board directors will also depart, with new directors from Elliott coming on board. The investment firm complained that Southwest needed to change to improve its financial performance. Jordan didn't address the change, but said this.
While our financial results are demonstrating improvement, I recognize that we still have a lot of work to do to fulfill our commitment to return to prosperity.
Fort Worth-based American Airlines reported a $149 million loss in the third quarter, but that was due to special items related to new labor contracts. Without that, it would have reported a profit of $205 million. CEO Robert Isom says the airline is focused on improving business travel to boost revenue over the next year.
And as we take a look at going forward, we're very focused on making sure our network appeals to, customers from a leisure basis, international, and certainly from a business perspective.
American was also fined $50 million by the U.S. Department of Transportation for its mishandling of thousands of wheelchairs and scooters and persons with disabilities. The airline says it's taken major steps to remedy the situation.
That is an increased burden on that carrier that's going to cost them a lot more money than most people will expect, which will likely result in increased airfares. They'll just pass it down the line.
And time will tell. Getting back to Southwest Airlines, Elliott Investment Group had initially called for a special meeting in December in order to try elect a new board of directors. But now with this new movement that has happened today, they've since canceled it, saying that they have reached that deal with Southwest.